It showed up on my feet. I was like, okay, this is crazy. He says, Scott, you're dumb. I had to click on it, duder. I had to do it, bro. Fuck me. Nature, you scary. That nigga ate that shit whole, bro. Whole. Nah. Nah, he villainous. He on some demon shit, chat. No way. He says, you think it wasted a lot of energy eating that boar? Homie was snacking. Can somebody get this nigga a drink of water? That shit made my throat dry. No cap. That shit made my throat dry, chat. What the fuck did we just watch? What do you rather fight? This or a crocodile? Probably a dumb question. And I says this. Shit, bro. That shit was disgusting, but it was also pretty interesting, chat. Disgusting, but interesting at the same fucking time. Yo, nature is crazy, bro. And niggas out here thinking they're special. Niggas out here thinking they're special. Meanwhile, in fucking wherever the fuck that was, you got fucking niggas eating whole ass fucking boars.